Hello, my name is Raz, and today with my friend Abdurrahman, we'll be discussing about greenhouse effect. So Abdurrahman, what is greenhouse effect?
The greenhouse effect is the process by which certain gases in Earth's atmosphere trap heat from the sun. So this prevents it from escaping back into space. This also helps keep Earth warm enough to support life.
What are the uses of greenhouse effect?
The uses of greenhouse effect are, first of all, agriculture, which is used for farming. Second of all, solar energy. Third of all, space colonization. Fourth, eco-friendly buildings. And fifth, climate control of vehicles and homes.
What are some facts about greenhouse effect?
Some facts about the greenhouse effects are: number one, it helps keep Earth warm. Without this, the Earth's average temperature would be -18. The second fact is that Venus has a CO2 atmosphere that traps heat, raising heat up to 465 degrees. This is hotter than Mercury. And the last fact, methane has a stronger greenhouse effect than CO2. It traps heat 80 times more than CO2.
Can you tell us some solution to reduce excess about greenhouse gases?
Some solutions to reduce excess greenhouse gases are, first of all, reducing plastic waste. Second of all, reducing methane emissions. Third of all, renewable energy. Fourth of them, energy efficiency. Fifth of them, carbon capture technology. And the last one, reforestation and tree planting.
Thank you for this interesting information. Thank you for watching.